Hi, my name is Katie Smith, and I've been doing full-time missionary work here in the Philippines for almost 10 years now with Action International Ministries. In the past few years, I've also partnered with YWAM Mendocino out of Northern California, and one of the ministries that they do every year is called Ignite Seminar. It's a 3-week intensive seminar for people in ministry or doing missionary work, and it's one of the most powerful seminars I've ever seen. And one thing that we always say about the seminar is we're trying to replace hand tools with power tools. And so the Lord gave us the Holy Spirit as a helper, a comforter, someone who distributes gifts. And so the seminar really is a lot about the person of the Holy Spirit, knowing Him as a person, knowing how to hear from Him and communicate with Him. The seminar revolves around the presence of God, and we study things like healing and deliverance, physical and inner healing, prophecy, hearing from God, sharing encouragement with other people, and a myriad of other things. So I had the big privilege earlier this year to bring 9 of the Filipinos that I do life with to Cambodia, where the Ignite Seminar was held this year. And so for all of them, it was their first time out of the country, and for a couple of them, it was even their first time on an airplane. So it was really fun, but it was so impactful for them, and I wanted to capture and share with you some of the testimonies of what God did through them and in them, and so I hope you enjoy them. Before they share, I just wanted to give you a little overview of some of the terms that they might be using as they share. One of the things that they talk about is original design, and that's one of the prayer models that we teach in Ignite. And we have people sit down and we just ask the Holy Spirit, how did you originally design this person to be? What is your heart for them? What is the things that you made about them that were unique and on purpose with intention? And so we get a lot of things that are just straight out of the Bible of what God thinks about them, how God feels towards them. But we also get very specific things that are unique to that person, and they're always amazed, and they're like, wow, God really knows me, and it just fulfills that really deep need for a person to be known and to be appreciated for those things that make them unique. And so it's a very powerful time where people experience God's love in a unique way, and it's always encouraging and uplifting. And so it's one of the tools, one of the primary tools that we use in Ignite, and I've been using in ministry since I've learned it. And so it's very impactful for the people. So you'll hear them mention original design. You'll also hear them mention healing rooms. It's a day where we have a bunch of prayer groups set up, and I can't go into all the details. It's a beautiful time, but basically people come in and they either ask for prayer for physical healing, or they'll ask for a prayer of encouragement, which is the original design prayer. And so it's very impactful for everyone that experiences it, and everybody goes out just beaming with smiles and a testimony of something that the Lord did in their life. And so it's a really powerful time. Another term you'll hear is called soaking, and if you're not familiar with soaking, it would be a meditative kind of time, but we want to enter into the rest of just being in the presence of God without trying to struggle to earn anything or to strive in any way, but just to rest and receive from the presence of God. And so it's a very meditative time. It's a very quiet time. Most people lay down during this time, but you'll find there's some testimonies that come out of this. People have really powerful encounters with the Lord and beautiful conversations with Him, and so you'll hear them mention that as well. One other tool I want to mention is Spirit Connect. Again, it's another powerful tool that we teach in Ignite, and it's a prayer model for inner healing. And I think every one of the Filipinos that went said that was the biggest highlight for them, because people experience so much freedom through it, and their life is very different after they experience Spirit Connect. But basically, again, it's another prayer. It's a prayer model, and we're trying to walk people through freedom and find out whatever the root is of whatever they've been struggling in their life. So maybe sin will come up, maybe unforgiveness will come up, and we deal with those things. Maybe the lies of the enemy come up, and so we just take those to the cross and leave those with Jesus. And then we take time to just let the Lord speak, and it's massively powerful. People often have really cool encounters with the Lord during that time that just they take with them forever. So those are some of the things you're going to hear mentioned, and without further ado, I want to have you listen to their testimonies. Thank you so much for watching.
hindi siya malipatan kay amo ni siya ang first moment nga nakasakay ako sa eroplano kag nakakadto sa ibang nga lugar. And then may ara moment nga una nga sakay pag take off, OMG, grabe nga turbulence. Oh Lord, gabayay kami, makalanding kami ka safe. And then, wala akong may ginhimo that time, pinamati lang ko sa music. Gusto ko magtulog pero di ako katulog kay hindi ako ganyan what it's, katabo na pamintaron. And, pila pa ka oras nga daan nga biyahe. And then, may time pa nga nag-ulan, something like that. Nag-ulan kag may grabe ang turbulence, grabe yung hulag kay aeroplano. Pero sa grasya sa Diyos, nakalanding kami nga safe.
Hindi ko ma-express kung anong ako yung feeling. And then, it's my first time also nga magsakay sa aeroplano. Shhh! Tapos, maghulat sa airport, mga pila ka oras. Then, hours, 6 hours. Tapos, tuyo ka. So, ma-feel mo nga, ay, ang maging maninigali ang ang mga traveler.
Nagbiyahe kami pakadto sa Manila is gabi na. And then nakita ko mga lights nga cute mga small nga mga balay, gamay nga mga building. And then na-imagine ko nga si God dako katama. And ara ko nagasakay sa airplane. Tapos nakita ko mga gagmay nga mga balay. And then nambal ko, Lord, amo ka nigali magtulok sa amon kung gaano kami ka cute. I imagine ko nga, siguro every time nga makita ko ni Lord nga, ay, this is my child, this is my daughter, kisya cute.
Trust in you completely. Awake my soul to sing with your breath in me. I will worship.
Hello, I am Beetle. Kag pasalamat ako sa Ginoo nga isa ako sa naka-attend sa Ignite, which is since ang mga 3 months before sina ang Ginoo gid naga pakagi-istorya paagi sa iya nga gingamit nga alagad. Kag ang word nga makakadto sa iban nga lugar is very dako gid nga opportunity para sa apon kag sa amon tanan, which is grabe ang plano sang Ginoo nga ginapaagom niya sa amon nga hindi siya limitado nga Dios tungod sa iyang mga promise, even though sang time nga na you are struggling, damo ka sa mga problem, pero ang Ginoo ang iyang mga promises, ang iyang nga mga word is grabe gid ka amazing kay hindi siya tawo nga masiling mo nga nag-promise lang sa imo, pero siya pa ang Dios nga nagatupad sa tanan nga iya ginagpromesa. Kag since na ang word ya is ma-show mo gid nga gina-confirm gid sang Ginoo ang tanan nga mga word nga ginapromesa ya sa imo, hindi lang sa Bible kundi specific nga direct gid sa imo. Ang Ginoo padayon gid siya nga nag-inspire sa akon sa sina nga time, also although may ara ako nga may mga sala kag kung isipon lang, though hindi ka worthy sina sa mga butang nga na kag wala ka nagapaabot nga may promesa pagali ang Ginoo may ihatag pa sa imo, kag though kumbaga gin set aside mo ina nga mga word nga iya gin promesa sa imo, pero siya wala nagtulok sina kundi gina-fulfill kag gina-confirm niya pagid padayon. So ang very na-amaze gid ko sa Ignite is ang sa part nga na-encourage ako nga even anong pa ang situation sa imo life, although may ara nga mga time hindi mo siya nabatyagan, hindi mo nakita ang iya works, do kamba mo do silent, pero grabe ang panghikot ya sa mga way kay hindi pala reho ang path sang kada tawo. Kag ang provision sang Ginoo is tama kadako para sa akon mismo. Pag dito ko na feel nga sa kada tools sa ginatawag nga original design, na stir up akong spirit, kag na-encourage ko sang todo, kag hindi nako ang pareho sang una nga nasiling nga ginatumo kag ginadown ka lang pirmi, kag wala ka kabalo kung anong imustan sa kabuhi, nga ginaaway ka lang yapon sang enemy, ginapabayan, kag daw gasel piti ka, ginapanubo mo imo kaugalingon, but then sa subong is free, may kalipay, may peace, kag maskin ano pang gaabot sa life, gapadayon gyapon gasik sa Ginoo ang mga promise ya, ang word nga i-encourage ka, which is ang original design nga sa diin hindi siya mabudlay, kag ang tuod, kumbaga ang tuod nga disenyo sa Ginoo is ara gid siya nga ga-work gid sa imo life, hindi nga siling nga gaduwa-duha kasi na, pero ang tuod is amo kasi na sa Ginoo. So sa specific man sa part pagid nga healing kay ang Ginoo, since before kay may mga ginabatsyag ko sa lawas nga pag ang isa ka tawo ara, kag kung ara man ako gaka-feel ko, like for example may amo sini nang inisa nga tawo gasakit kunwari ang iya nga gasakit gid ang iya nga like kamot, so ako mabatsyagan ko sa akon nga kaugalingon or sa physical ko nga amo na masakit ang like akon kamot, so gaas ko sina, tapos amo na dayon nag-approach ako nga mag-pray, so grabe pagpangamuyo sina naga-okay gid, so dara man ang isa pagid ang healing is hindi siya mabudlay himuon, kag hindi sa siling piliton mo, kag dugay-dugayon mo pray kag para ano mo gid ang Ginoo, please grabe gid siya nga, pero hindi gali, kumbaga ang Ginoo mahapos, hindi sa mabudlay, kag mahapos gid siya palapitan, kag hindi siya Dios nga daw tayaan mo pasang kung ano nga bagay para lang ihatag ya, pero ang tuod is maalwan siya kaayo, kag magpalapit lang sa iya nga sa tagipusoon, kag may pagpaubos. So sa subong still nga naga-work ang Ginoo nga in a silent way but in amazing way gyapon, kay sa akon life may mga like sa gift nag-steer up ang gifts, kay grabe ang kay syempre kada tao may expectation. So, kung hindi ka mag-expect, sigurado, stable ka gyapon. But then, nag-expect ka sa Ginoo kay hindi siya limitado nga Diyos sa pagpangayo kung ano imo gusto, sa gift, sa gagmay nga bagay, so maskin pagay sa pag-upod lang sa mga tawo. Ara gid siya ang Ginoo nga makita mo pag mabatsyagan mo sa imong kabuhi. So, amo na. Thank you, gid. God bless. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa nag-sponsor, kay kung hindi man tungod sa inyo, kag kung wala man ka mo gamit sa Ginoo para sa amon, wala kami nakagwa, kag super grateful, kag so thankful kami sa inyo, kag